Good day, kids! Have you been in a farm? What do you see inside the farm? That will be our lesson for today. Hi, my name is Anna. I am going to the farm. Can I come? Sure. Let's go. What do we see in the farm? Many animals. Here we are at the farm. Beautiful. I agree. It's beautiful. What do we see here? Different animals. Deer, cow, bee, butterfly, dragonfly, grasshopper, bird, kitten, rabbit, horse, goat, sheep, fish, dog, cat, duck, hen, chicken, spider, snail, beetle, snake. Are we going home? Not yet. I will show you some fruits and a few vegetables. Fruits, vegetables, apple, orange, pineapple, mango, strawberry, pear, banana, eggplant, tomato, ladyfinger, spinach, cauliflower, squash, bitter gourd. Mga mommies, hindi pa ba marunong magbasa ang iyong mga anak? Ito na ang iyong pagkakataon. Join our group, Moms as Tutors.